Virtual reality is certainly a great marketing tool to tell potential clients about your new project. It can be perfect to showcase projects without having your clients to travel to multiple project sites. However, a typical virtual reality development costs anywhere between $2,000 to $5,000 and takes 15 to 30 days per project, which makes virtual reality a difficult choice to adopt at scale. Introducing PropVR, a platform that lets you create and deploy high-quality VR experiences at an affordable price within just 24 hours. Whether you are a real estate builder or architect, you can now use PropVR sales platform to showcase your property to multiple clients anywhere around the world, saving both time and money. In addition to this, PropVR is also built with powerful analytics that helps you regulate marketing spends and understand customer feedback. Using PropVR web and mobile sales tool, real estate teams can enhance their customer experience and convert their leads in less time, thus increasing their overall productivity. With PropVR, let's build the future of property experiences.